Plank, Dad, so I can go get
Walk the plank, Hudson. Yeah. Go, Eamon.
Go, we can be jump in the water. Wait.
That's so fun.
We can be something you can jump in the water with.
I don't know.
I need like a walker. I need a plank, a pad.
I think you just have to use your imagination that the orange thing is a plank. Whoa. Careful, Eamon.
I got a red. Go.
Ready, set, go. Woohoo!
Shannon, no.
Wait till Eamon moves. Hey, wait till Eamon moves.